Class is on how to achieve this two-layer V-shape hijab. So you can achieve this in 5 minutes. Thank you. Let's get started. We need a trouser length chiffon material. So you can use light lycra material because it's with two layers. Make sure that you use light material so that it won't be too heavy. So this is 45 by 45. The length is 45. The breadth is 45. 45 for the length, 45 inches for the breadth. So after that, you take one edge to meet the other edge to form a triangle. So if you fold it into four again, after I folded it into two, then I fold it into four. Just take one edge to meet the other edge. You can see the way I'm doing it. So after that, the purpose of this for us to note the sensor, you iron it so that you note the sensor. So if you iron very well, you see the effect of the iron. You can see the inputs. So that's the sensor. You can see the sensor. So you measure your face circumference. Measure the face circumference divided by 2. The face circumference I'm using is 22 divided by 2. That's 11 inches. So measure 5 inches from there. Then you roll it. Roll it to the down of the hijab. Can I say the down? Can I say the way I'm rolling it? Just roll it down. So the face circumference, measure it, you chalk it. From there, you this face circumference, you stitch it down. Don't stitch the face circumference. So I've done that. You can see I've stitched it. This face circumference, I'm going to turn it to the right side. You can see the two-layer hijab is ready. Very easy and beautiful. So you overlock the down part. You can rock either of the two sides. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Give me thumbs up. Tap notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload new videos. So this is the other side. You can see you in my next tutorial. Bye.